If you wake up one morning and see machines are running the country, computers are making decisions about jobs, justice, and even war, and humans are just following orders. Is this just a movie or is it the reality of the future? Today you will know, will robots control humans in the future? In today's world, artificial intelligence is advancing very rapidly. AI now can drive cars, can diagnose disease, can write code, can create images, videos, and voices, controls drones and robots, mobile phones, banking, space exploration. AI is being used everywhere. So, the natural question in people's minds, are we creating something smarter than ourselves? This fear is not just today. For many years, movies and stories have shown. In all these stories, it can be seen one day machines will turn against humans. Even many scientists have warned uncontrolled AI can be dangerous in the future. But the question is, are these real possibilities or fears? AI does not think like humans. AI has no emotions. AI has no wish. AI does not want to seize power. What AI does? Analyzes data, flows algorithms, flows instructions given by humans. AI does not want anything itself. AI works exactly as humans teach it. The real danger is not robots. The real danger is how humans use AI. If AI is used to build automated weapons, to increase surveillance on humans, to spread false information, to maintain power, then the problem is not with the machines, the problem is with human decisions. AI is a tool. The same tool can be used to build hospitals and destroy them. If robots want to manage humans, they need their own goals, safe awareness, the ability to make decisions outside of humans, full control of all systems. All of this is impossible with current technology. Today's AI, limited to specific tasks, runs under human supervision, cannot survive on its own. So the fear of robot rule is not realistic right now. In the future, AI will probably be doctor's assistant, scientist research partner, teacher's assistant, tool to make people's work easier, not a ruler but a collaborator. Everything will depend on human morality, right laws, responsible use. Robot will not control people, but irresponsible people can create dangerous AI. So the real question, can we control the things we create? What is your opinion? Write in the comment.